What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin and baby Dogecoin, but before we go over that, let's go over the first thing that I want to go over today. So the first thing is really big. This is really big in the whole crypto space, so I really have to go over this really quick. So bullish news for crypto, everything. Literally, Senator Portman said only exchanges will be seen as brokers. So miners, operators, and developers are being excluded from this definition. So literally, this was the talk of crypto for the last week, and it's literally why everything just shot right back up. Literally, like now, as you see, overnight we started to drop, but this news came out, and boom, we just started to go up. And remember, this news just came out 3 hours ago, so I had to come out with this because this is huge right now. Like this is literally going to be what sets crypto just straight on the bullish pattern. Like this is really going to help us out a lot because a lot of miners were worried, operators, developers, everybody was worried because they thought they were going to get, taxed the same. They thought that they're going to get attacked by the SEC, but now that they're making this bullish statement right here, this is huge. Only exchanges are seen as brokers now. That's really good news. So let's move on to Dogecoin now. Now, Dogecoin, 25 cents now. That's so cool that we just came back from 23 cents all the way back up to 25 cents. Remember, it was only going down because of everyone thought we are all going to get seen as these brokers. They thought miners were going to get seen as the developers, people who have nothing to do with being a brokerage. But now that we don't, the news just sent Dogecoin going straight back up to the moon. So good news for Dogecoin there. We are going right back up to that previous resistance we had, 27 cents going into 28. I really believe we can pass that and get to 30 cents very soon here. So we got a lot of news for Dogecoin today. Let's go over all of that. And speaking of the technicals, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are on the rise, and experts predict bigger gains by the end of 2021. And before I keep going, I just want to say if you guys like this channel and you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe because it really helps out the channel. It really helps out with the algorithm. So please hit that and let me know in the comments what you think about Dogecoin, if you think it'll go to the moon and whatnot. But anyways, let's move on. So, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin have posted double-digit gains over the weekend as trader sentiment on meme coins turns bullish. So, Luke Martin, host of the Coinist podcast, shared a bullish outlook on Doge in a recent tweet. So, experts predict that Dogecoin could be worth 42 cents by the end of 2021. That looking at 2021 by the end of it, 42 cents is not that much, but when you think about it, we came a long way with Dogecoin, so we can't even be mad with 42 cents by the end of the year. Hopefully, I'm praying for 70 cents by the end of the year, 70 cents to $1, because I just want to get back to where we were before, and I want to see Dogecoin at $1. Like that would be really cool for Doge at $1. But anyways, over here it says analysts bullish on Doge and Shiba further price rally likely. Two Shiba Inu themed meme coins, Doge and Shiba Inu coin, blah blah blah, among the top altcoins, blah blah blah. Dogecoin is back in the spotlight after posting an 18.8% weekly surge in price. Into the block, a blockchain intelligence firm uses the global in and out of the money indicator, which is the GIOM, to determine whether addresses that hold Dogecoin are profitable at the current price level, and addresses average cost is calculated based on the weighted average price at which it brought or received the amount of Doge tokens that it currently holds. So over here it says, according to the GIOM, remember GIOM is the global in and out of the money. According to that, 66% of the addresses currently holding Doge in their wallets are profitable at the current price, 24 cents. That's why this price is so attractive to investors. Like they see this, they start buying in. That's why we're going to go over the whales and what prices the whales are really trying to get in at. It's important to know when the whales are trying to get in, because that shows you where you should probably be getting in and where you shouldn't be getting in. Like if Doge just jumped up to 40 cents right now within an hour, you don't want to get in because it's probably going to go back down to about 30 cents. That's if it just jumps, a whole 100% inside of an hour. It usually doesn't do that, but anything can happen with Dogecoin. So the increase in bullish sentiment among Doge traders spilled over to Shiba, popular as the Doge. You know what? So Shiba price is up 21.3% in the last week. Anyway, ahead of the latest price rally in Doge and Sheep, a panel of cryptocurrency experts predicted Doge could be worth 42 cents. Remember, I'm not financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but they say they're experts. I don't believe they're financial advisors, but they say they're experts, so I guess they're experts, right? So up 60% from the current price level. By the end of 2021, they say that the price should be at 42 cents. So this guy over here, Luke Martin, the venture of Coinist, he says he's long on Doge. So a lot of people are going very long on Dogecoin. So anyways, Bitcoin, $45.5 thousand. That's a lot of money. And then over here, 1.96 for the last 24 hours, 15.95 for the last 7 days. You know, you got Ethereum doing the same type of gains. Got Cardano doing some really good gains. And you got Dogecoin all the way down here, 23.95% for the last 7 days. Dogecoin is doing very well right now. $34 billion in Dogecoin, so much money. But yeah, I'm really bullish with Dogecoin. I've always been bullish with Dogecoin. I just wish that when I bought Dogecoin back in 2017, I would have held it. I wish when I bought Dogecoin back in 2018, I would have held it. Because if I would have, I'd be a millionaire by now. And I know a lot of you out there are in the same, same kind of path right now. Because I used to do Robinhood trading a lot back in the day. And I was all focused on fast money. Literally, I would just try to day trade inside the Robinhood market, even though I didn't have $25,000. So I had to wait, a whole week after I did 3-day trades. And if I would have just took that money and put it into Dogecoin, I had like $2,000 back then in 2017. I would be rich right now. Let's be completely honest. But anyways, let's move on from that because we can't be talking about the past. So yeah, let's talk about the future with these Dogecoin whales. So this Dogecoin whale came in $3.5 million today. But what you see with a lot of these Dogecoin whales, some of them are doing way more selling than buying, and then others are doing way more buying than selling. But what we see is more prominent, and when they do these buy orders are far more greater than the sell orders. And when I mean 3.5 million of a purchase order compared to a $400,000 sell, but they're selling way more, so it kind of equals the same amount. And they're strategically doing this, like they're really making a lot of money off this. They're doing this very strategically. And I know I talk about the whales a lot, but it's because it's very, very important. Like, look at this whale. These two orders at the top were from today. They spent almost $40,000 or almost $50,000 today. Like, and the day hasn't even started really yet. It's only 8:22 a.m. and they spent so much money. They're not the only one. This whale came in yesterday. Towards the end of the night, it was around 11 p.m. But this whale came in with $69.5 million around 11 p.m. And what did the previous experts just now say? They say that 24 cents is where most people are profitable with Doge right now. The average cost, the average profitable address for Doge is 24 cents. What did this person come in at? 24 cents. That's why this price is so attractive to investors right now. Look, a whole $69 million, that's an institutional investor. That's a big investor. They literally invested at 11 p.m. last night. $69.5 million at 11 p.m. And now it's $75.4 million at 8:22 a.m. the next morning. Literally 7 hours, and then boom, they just made a bunch of money. 8 hours, actually. That's a lot of money right there. And anyways, that's a lot of money. But let's move on to the next whale because we got so many whales here. $45.7 million. This whale came in yesterday. But see, this whale wasn't as lucky. They came in yesterday towards the morning at 8 a.m. yesterday, and they bought in at 26 cents. And now their 45.7 million is only worth $45.4 million. That's why it's so important to get in at certain times, because both these whales got in yesterday, but the previous whale got in at late night. The other whale got in the morning. So the time you want to get in Doge is not when everything's going up, but when everything's going down. As you can see, everything just now went up. So right now, I would say right now is still a good time to get Doge, because look at this right here. We just now went down on a little bit of a dip. We were already at 26 cents trying to break that 27-cent resistance, but we couldn't do it. And since we couldn't do it, we're probably going to retest it again in the future, which is why I'm saying Dogecoin, even though it just now had a little bit of a dip, it'll probably end up bouncing right back. Like, look at this. It came all the way up here to the top, had a little bit of a dip, but now it's starting to come back. So right now could be a very good time to buy Dogecoin. Like 30 cents by the end of this week is very prominent. Like, you definitely want to watch out for Dogecoin. But anyways, let's move on to our next whales. This whale came in, a bunch of money. These whales have so much money. Look at all this. All of this today. It's only 8 a.m. Only 8 a.m. This Dogecoin whale literally spit about $2 million. It's only 8 a.m. And then now you got the Dogecoin whales that are profiting. This Dogecoin whale literally did this Dogecoin trade today. They came in at 1 a.m., sold out at 5 a.m. Literally $27.4 million at 1 a.m., sold out for $28.9 million at 5 a.m. That's a lot of money this morning. And then there's more Dogecoin whales like this. Like, this Dogecoin whale came in today. Like, so much money right here. $26.3 million. Now it's $26.5 million. They came in yesterday, So over here, this Dogecoin whale did a trade, a swing trade. They bought in yesterday, sold out today from $23.4 million to $25.2 million. so much money. And when did they get in? 24 cents. That's when most Dogecoin whales are being, successful in their trades. So much is going on here. Anyways, yesterday, this Dogecoin whale came in, bought about $15 million worth of Dogecoin yesterday, all yesterday. This Dogecoin whale came in yesterday as well, $14 million. Now we're $15 million. So definitely keep watching out for these Dogecoin whales. I'll keep you updated on this because what the Dogecoin whales are doing, that's what you all want to do. That's what's going to help us, go straight to the top. You want to go to the people who are paying investors to invest for them. Most whales are paying people to advise them, financial advisors. So anyways, let's go over baby Dogecoin because baby Dogecoin is turning around right now. Literally, look at this. Last 24 hours, 3.4% down in the last 24 hours, But the last 7 days, boom, we have 14.1% up. And that's 14 days, 19.4%. So really good news there. Dogecoin is always going to do well. I mean, just look at this. Baby Dogecoin, it's all the same. If Dogecoin does well, baby Dogecoin does well. That's how we're going to see it. But anyways, baby Dogecoin has a lot going on. We're going to talk about that. So first thing, 541,000 people are now holding baby Dogecoin. Shout out to that. I always like to refresh it just to see how many people invest by the time we start the video to now. So let's check that now. All right, so 541,887 to 541,888. That's a lot right there. A lot of people just now investing in the Dogecoin. So baby Dogecoin, not Dogecoin. I made sure I had to say that because, don't want to get my words mixed up here. But anyways, let's go check out the next thing with baby Dogecoin. K-Swap Finance. K-Swap Finance, new trading mining pool since yesterday. They just now put it on there. So the son of baby Dogecoin son of Dogecoin with a mission hyper deflationary with auto rewards, hold pet love, it helps save dogs. Baby Dogecoin. So yeah, shout out to them. They now got this new trading mining pool on here. So definitely check that out. And lots of stuff is going on with Dogecoin and baby Dogecoin. Next thing with baby Dogecoin we want to look at is the Gate.io exchange, baby Dogecoin trading competition. Time August 9th to August 16th. It's literally a competition to trading baby Dogecoin. So 3K baby Dogecoin for first 600 depositors and trade baby Doge to share in 20K. So you can do this competition if you want. Prize pool, $27,000. Cool competition, I guess. If you want to do that type of stuff, if you're into competing with stuff like that, go right ahead and do that. Anyways, let's move on to the next baby Dogecoin topic. So the next baby Dogecoin topic that we really want to go over right here is this right here. So far, 146 quadrillion. I almost got it messed up. Look, this is million, billion, trillion, quadrillion. So 146 quadrillion so far has been burned. They're going to continue to burn, and they're probably going to burn some more baby Dogecoin at the end of the week. They do it almost all the time. So yeah, remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling people to go buy baby Dogecoin or Dogecoin. I'm just telling you about the news with it. And just to go right back over the previous news of earlier today, remember, bullish news for all of crypto. Crypto is going crazy. It's even trending on Twitter. Look at this. It's literally going crazy right now. Bullish news. Senator Portman said only exchanges will be seen as brokers. So that's the main takeout of today. But anyways, this is all I got for you guys. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. If you like the video, though, please hit the like button and subscribe. It will really help out the channel for the YouTube algorithm. And also, check out the links in the description for a free stock with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com for a free stocks. And when you do that, you can put it in Dogecoin, right? Yeah, remember, hit that like button, subscribe. I'll be back with another video. Peace.